Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video I am gonna show you how you can look nice and fresh all day long. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So first things first, start with a nicely cleansed or even scrubbed face and then use your favorite moisturizer. I'm using the CeraVe Moisturizer. This moisturizer is for all skin type and it's also fragrance free, so it's really good for sensitive skin as well. In order to get that flawless looking face all day long, your skin should be nicely moisturized and hydrated, so never skip on moisturizers. So for the primer, if you guys have like large pores, I suggest you to use like pore filling primers because that will help to smooth out your skin. But if it's not the problem for you, you can use your regular primer or you can use aloe vera gel. This will work great as a primer. So when we are at our workplace, we want to look nothing but nice and fresh, right? So I suggest you to use this Olay brightening cream. This takes time to blend. This product is like my #1 favorite product when I don't want to cake up my face that much. This product instantly brightens up your face. I don't mean to say this will make you fairer, but it will make your face look nice and bright. I got this cream from one of the local cosmetics store in Beautynepal. Now we need a little bit of coverage. If you use foundation or even BB cream, just keep that in mind. Don't use a lot. Keep that in mind. You only need a teeny tiny amount of foundation or BB cream just to cover your imperfections. Here I'm using the LA Girl Pro HD foundation. I took not even a pump and I dotted to those areas where I want to even them out. Now it's time for a little bit of concealing. Concealer is very essential because under eyes are the main part of your face that will make you look tired. So just use a really nice and lightweight concealer underneath your eyes and as well as on your lids. Once the concealer is nicely blended, don't forget to set that with some powder. I'm using this yellow powder from the Wet n Wild contour kit. This will just make sure that everything stays in place all day long. If your face looks a little bit powdery, you can use some setting spray or facial mist at last. So I'm going to take that same contour kit, taking that darker shade. I'm going to use this to give some color to my face. I'm applying this to my cheekbones and also to my jawline. This is just to give a little bit of color, but make sure that you blend really well. If not, then you may look muddy. And if you guys don't wear blushes, I highly suggest you to get one. This one is from Milani. It's called the Milani Baked blush in the shade Luminoso. Blushes make such a huge difference, you guys. This blush in particular is my favorite. I don't like to wear a lot of highlighter when I have to go somewhere to work, you know, so I really love this one. So for my brows, when I'm in hurry or when I want to make my brows look natural, to be honest, I like using brow pencils. This one is from LA Girl. This is also my favorite, another favorite product from LA Girl. I have naturally thick brows, so I don't have to worry about making them perfect or filling them more. I just fill in some gaps and I just want to make them look more defined. Alright, I'm gonna take that same dark shade from the same contour palette. I'm gonna use this shade as a eyeshadow. That way it will give a little bit of depth to the eyes. So before coating your lashes with some mascara, don't forget to curl your lashes before, because that way it will make your lashes look longer and also it will open up your eyes more. After curling my lashes, I also like to tightline my upper waterline because that will make your lashes look fuller. So for mascara, I'm using the Benefit Bad Girl mascara. This mascara is bomb, you guys. This makes your lashes look longer and fuller at the same time. Like, I have used other mascaras, like really good lengthening mascaras, like one from Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara is really good for lengthening, but this mascara makes your lashes look long and fuller at the same time. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. Taking that same dark shade from the same contour palette, I'm gonna apply this to my lower lash line, and I'm also gonna coat my lower lashes with some mascara. So now for the lips, I'm going to use this Jordana liquid lipstick. I don't really remember the shade, but I will definitely put it in the description box below. This Jordana liquid lipstick is quite drying, so you really need to moisturize your lips first. So when you're using a drying liquid lipstick like this, or any liquid lipstick in general, to make them less drying, what you can do is take some tissue paper, put it between your lips and take that excess product. That way it will look less drying, and also that will last for a long time. Lastly, take that setting spray, spray that all over your face. I am using the LA Girl setting spray. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you guys find this video helpful. If yes, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.